Hello, everyone. Welcome back to B1 English Channel. I'm Annie, and I'm so glad you're here. Today is day 1 of our English Shadowing Challenge for beginners B1 and B2 learners. We'll take this slowly, kindly, and with lots of support. Ready?
Hi, I'm Biplov. Great to meet you all. I'll be cheering you on, sharing little tips, and doing the quieter parts with Annie. Let's make today feel easy and doable, okay?
Okay, let's start with a quick goal. By the end of this session, you will understand what shadowing is, learn the simple rules we'll use every day, hear a short, natural conversation, a coffee shop scene, and then we'll practice together, step by step. Sound good?
Sounds perfect. And hey, don't worry if your first attempts feel weird. That's totally normal. We'll celebrate progress, not perfection.
Right. So first, what is shadowing? In short, shadowing means you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately after they say it, like a shadow. You imitate rhythm, stress, and intonation. You don't translate, you copy the sound and flow.
Yeah, and to add, it's not just repeating words. It trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain to work together so speaking becomes more automatic. For me, shadowing helped stop that pause, that hesitation when I tried to speak.
Exactly. Shadowing helps with 3 main things: rhythm and connected speech, natural intonation and stress patterns, and overall speaking confidence. For B1 and B2 learners, it's a fast way to sound more natural without memorizing grammar rules.
By the way, a quick tip, use headphones if you can. It helps you focus on the pronunciation details. Also, stand or sit straight. Good posture helps your breathing and voice.
Good point, Biplov. Okay, now the rules of today's challenge. We'll follow a simple 3-step routine. Step 1, listen to the conversation once. Just listen, don't try to repeat. Step 2, listen again while following the text in your screen. Step 3, shadow the audio 3 times. First slow, then normal, then a bit faster. We'll guide each round.
And we'll keep each sentence short, give you a moment to repeat, and we'll remind you to imitate stress and rhythm. Also, don't worry about perfect pronunciation. Aim for rhythm and confidence first.
Yes, one more rule. It's okay to pause or rewind. This is your practice. Do it at your own pace. All right, before the coffee shop conversation, a quick note on technique. When you shadow, try to match timing. Speak immediately after us. Notice if the voice goes up or down. Words often connect, like cup of, sounding like cuppa. Try to copy that.
And breathe. Don't hold your breath. Take natural breaths between phrases, just like in real speech. When I started, I would rush and run out of air, so take it easy.
Okay, ready for the coffee shop conversation? Good morning. What can I get for you today? Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please. Sure. Would you like any syrup with that? Yes, 1 pump of vanilla, please. Great. For here or to go? To go, please. Can I have your name? It's Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. That will be ready in a few minutes. Thanks so much. By the way, it's nice out today, isn't it? Yeah, finally some sun. I know. I feel like I should take a walk this afternoon. Good idea. Enjoy your walk, Sarah. You too. Bye.
Nice and natural. Okay, Step 2. Listen again, but this time follow the text.
We'll speak it once all the way through, as natural speakers, normal speed. Listen closely. Don't repeat yet.
Here we go.
Good morning. What can I get for you today? Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please. Sure. Would you like any syrup with that? Yes, 1 pump of vanilla, please. Great. For here or to go? To go, please. Can I have your name? It's Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. That will be ready in a few minutes. Thanks so much. By the way, it's nice out today, isn't it? Yeah, finally some sun. I know. I feel like I should take a walk this afternoon. Good idea. Enjoy your walk, Sarah. You too. Bye.
Nice. Now, step 3. We shadow. I'll guide you through 3 rounds. In each round, we'll say 1 line, then give you a short moment to repeat, then move on. First round, slow speed. I'll speak slowly. Please repeat immediately after me, copying rhythm and stress. Ready? Let's do it.
Good morning. What can I get for you today? Now your turn. Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please. Repeat. Sure. Would you like any syrup with that? Repeat. Yes, 1 pump of vanilla, please. Repeat. Great. For here or to go? Repeat. To go, please. Repeat. Can I have your name? Repeat. It's Sarah. Repeat. Thank you, Sarah. That will be ready in a few minutes. Repeat. Thanks so much. By the way, it's nice out today, isn't it? Yeah, finally some sun. Repeat. I know. I feel like I should take a walk this afternoon. Repeat. Good idea. Enjoy your walk, Sarah. Repeat. You too. Bye. Repeat. Bye. Repeat.
Great job. How did that feel? Take a breath. Even if you felt a little off, that's normal. Now we do round 2, normal speed. I'll speak at natural speed. Try to shadow immediately, matching rhythm. Ready?
Good morning. What can I get for you today? Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please. Sure. Would you like any syrup with that? Yes. 1 pump of vanilla, please. Great. For here or to go? To go, please. Can I have your name? It's Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. That will be ready in a few minutes. Thanks so much. By the way, it's nice out today, isn't it? Yeah, finally some sun. I know. I feel like I should take a walk this afternoon. Good idea. Enjoy your walk, Sarah. You too. Bye. Bye.
Nice. I heard some great rhythm there. If one phrase felt tricky, pause the audio and repeat that phrase 5 times in a row. Repetition builds muscle memory.
Okay, final round. A bit faster. This helps you get used to natural speed and connected speech. Don't worry if you can't match every word. Your goal is to keep the flow. Ready?
Good morning. What can I get for you today? Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please. Sure. Would you like any syrup with that? Yes, 1 pump of vanilla, please. Great. For here or to go? To go, please. Can I have your name? It's Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. That will be ready in a few minutes. Thanks so much. By the way, it's nice out today, isn't it? Yeah, finally some sun. I know. I feel like I should take a walk this afternoon. Good idea. Enjoy your walk, Sarah. You too. Bye. Bye.
Whew, that was excellent. How do you feel? Even if you stumbled, you did real practice, which matters. A short tip: if you feel tense, relax your jaw and open slightly. It helps consonants and vowels sound clearer.
Also, try shadowing in front of a mirror sometimes. I used to do that. It helped me see how my mouth moves and made my pronunciation more confident. Plus, it's fun.
Let's pause for a quick micro feedback exercise. I'll say one sentence, you repeat it once, then say it again, but try to match the melody, rise and fall. Ready? It's Sarah. Now again, try a little more musical. It's Sarah. Nice. Feel that difference?
Yeah, little changes make a big difference. Okay, another micro exercise. Connect the words for here or to go. Repeat that once, then try to link for here or to go. Good. Linking helps speed up your natural speech.
A couple of common shadowing questions I get. Q. Do I need to understand every word? A. No, it's okay to not know every word. Focus on rhythm and stress. Q. How long should I practice each day? A. Start with 10 to 15 minutes and build up. Consistency matters more than long sessions.
And Q, should I shadow alone or with others? Both. Alone is fine for focused work. With others, it's motivating. You can also record yourself and listen back. Hearing yourself is powerful.
Great. Now, a very short pronunciation tip for one tricky phrase in today's conversation: 1 pump of vanilla. Notice the weak form of. It sounds like and connects to vanilla. Try 1 pump of vanilla. Repeat it with me slowly once. 1 pump of vanilla. Now, normal speed. 1 pump of vanilla.
Nice. Also, the phrase, it will be ready in a few minutes. The stress is on ready and few. Listen, it will be ready in a few minutes. Try that stress pattern with me. It will be ready in a few minutes. Great.
Before we wrap up, a short success story. One of my students, Marta, started shadowing for 10 minutes every day. After 2 weeks, she said her friends commented that she sounded more natural and that she stopped translating in her head. That kind of change happens quietly, but it's real.
I have one too. When I was learning French, I shadowed short dialogues from a radio show. After a month, I noticed I could answer faster in conversations. I felt less scared. That's the confidence part I talked about earlier.
So, final quick tips for your practice today and this week. 1. Use short audio, like our coffee shop scene, and repeat daily. 2. Start slow, then normal, then faster. 3. Focus on rhythm and connected speech more than exact pronunciation. 4. Record yourself sometimes. 5. Celebrate small wins.
And one more tip. If you're tired or busy, do just one short sentence of shadowing. Even one line keeps the habit alive. Consistency beats intensity here.
All right, wrap up. Well done for completing day 1. You listened, followed the text, and shadowed 3 times. That's big. Be kind to yourself and do the same practice tomorrow with a new conversation.
Yes, great job. Come back for day 2. We'll add a slightly longer conversation and a new technique, short question and answer shadowing to build faster replies. Subscribe and set a daily reminder if you can.
One last note. If you liked this session, please leave a comment or tell us which phrase you found hardest today. We'll respond and help. And remember, progress is small steps. You've already started.
See you tomorrow. Keep practicing, Keep smiling, and don't forget, shadowing is fun. Bye!